Welcome to today's video, everybody.
It's practice day at the LZ compound. The track is hot, the weather is beautiful. We're gonna go and shred the Z. Of that, DJ?
I like it.
You like it?
Good. Right here. Watch.
That's pretty nice.
I got all the E36s out.
3 deep is sketchy here, though. Watching, time to start driving.
Let's go. Kill it. You better shred.
All right, let's get straight into some driving. But it's definitely slow. Like, I feel like it's slower than what a Z should. It just stalled. I feel like something's up. Like, it just, I don't know. It's definitely like for a HRZ, this should be hitting harder like mine at home, but this feels really boggy. We might be worth plugging a computer in and just seeing if anything's up. Well, that was fun, and I was getting the hang of it, and then unfortunately, this just happened. Rad Dan's I think quick change diff just exploded. Like, actually exploded. So there's oil all over the track. I don't think we're gonna have time to clean it up before we were gonna end the session anyways. So I think it's time to pack up. Just look at this. I have never seen a Winters split open like that. Like, that is not anything small. That whole thing just exploded and fell apart. Wild.
Dude, give me the walk. You gotta give me the walk. Yeah. This is your strut walk. You're walking into the song. There we go.
Yeah.
That pink ass hair.
I forgot to film this, unfortunately, but the Z did feel really underpowered, so I plugged in the OBD2 reader, and there was an engine light on all the time, but I just assumed that was maybe like with the American Dash is what comes up when like ABS is unplugged and whatnot on these. But it turned out it actually did have a code, an error code with the PCM module, which cuts ignition timing and a bunch of other stuff. So that generally happens when like the ECU shorts out or something like that, which I think is what happened when this thing had a dead battery when we went and got it out of the shed and we jump started it. So probably now we're all good. I cleared the codes aren't coming back. We'll take it for a drive and see if it feels like it's got more power. But I was also able to do a full reset and reset the throttle body position too by doing the pedal dance stuff. So now it should be much better. We'll see. We're going to keep this here and I'll just do a couple laps. It seems like they're actually cleaning the oil off, so we might actually be able to do a few laps. Worst case scenario, I can at least do a couple pulls with this and just see how it feels. This thing actually hauls now. It's so much better. It's so much faster. My gosh. Clearing a couple codes, so much better. My gosh. It actually feels like my Z at home now. So glad we did that. Unfortunately, TJ's car is down for the count right now. How you feeling?
Like I've been kicked in the balls. That's how I feel.
So diff is bad and clutch is bad. And I feel terrible because I have his backup car right now. Now they do have the parts to get everything switched out, so they should be okay.
We
Think.
think.
They think.
The diff we know we can get.
Yeah.
The clutch. Oh, Larry, just kick it, bud. We don't know about the clutch.
We don't know yet.
Think. It looks very similar. Adam's like, I think it is. I talked to Marco. He goes, I think. We'll pull it off.
Okay.
Anyways.
So
Let's try it.
worst case scenario, plan B is that I give him back his car and Adam just throws me the keys to his black seat. So that might end up happening. But I just wanted to make sure you guys had context in case like it turns out on the day of the invitation I'm driving a different Z. Real quick guys, I want to remind you, today is literally your last day that you can get the All I Want for Christmas is Car Parts Christmas sweater, and that's because we want to make sure that you get them before Christmas. Usually when we ship everything, it's all with DHL, and it takes about 2 to 3 days if you're in a city area, but if you're in a rural area, it could be a couple extra days, and we just don't want to risk that. So if you want to make sure you get yourself your Christmas sweater before Christmas, you need to order right now. We also have restocked on the OG SR20 hoodies, though they are selling out really fast and there are only a few sizes left right now. Make sure you go to SAMMIT.net, grab yourself some merch. Christmas is right around the corner and now is pretty much your go time so that you get everything for that special day. Now let's get back to the video. Don't forget SAMMIT.net, grab yourself some merch. Mr. Larry Chen, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
I've seen you in Japan. I've seen you in SEMA.
SEMA, yeah.
And now at the LZ Invitational and then in Japan again soon.
Yes.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm a content gathering machine, if you can't tell already.
So tell me, what is the purpose of every single one of these?
Okay, so I'm too lazy to change lenses. Actually, things happen so fast, so I don't want to change lenses.
Oh, that's smart.
This is a super wide 15-35.
Yep.
This is my standard walk around lens.
Yep.
It's a 35-1.4. So it has really good bokeh. And this is my long lens 85-1.2. And then of course I have my handy dandy vlog camera in case I need to vlog something right away. It's kind of insane.
It is a bit insane.
Yeah.
I love it though.
Right.
You need one more though.
I do.
You normally have the big boy lens too, right?
Well, I have my drink here. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
I have my phone. I technically have 5 imaging devices.
That's pretty good.
More the better.
They must weigh a fair bit, like combined.
I mean, they do, they do. But you gotta just carry the tools for the job.
Have you ever had to run with all of these on you?
I can kind of run. I feel like I can battle if I just go.
Oh my gosh, you're like a Beyblade.
Yeah, I'll just swing and just hit everybody.
For real.
Yeah.
Love it, dude.
Anyways.
I'm glad you're with us for the Invitational. It's gonna be a good time.
Hey, I'll get a bunch of shots of you driving. You're driving TJ's.
TJZ, as long as he fixes this. If that
hopefully.
doesn't happen, I'm in
Otherwise,
Adam
you guys
Z.
will share a car.
Yeah. So apparently TJ forgot that he had shipped this in 2020 here, which is absolutely wild. So he now has the exact clutch that he needs for this, right? That's the same one, right, TJ?
Same one.
That's amazing.
I have a spare motor that Adam and I were gonna swap months ago. Because this is actually low compression. We shipped that motor out here, we were gonna do it here, and then we never did it, and the motor's like been okay, so we've been putting it off. And apparently, when I shipped that motor over, I shipped over a brand new clutch from ACT as well. Had no recollection of that. And then Booth was like, you have a brand new spare clutch up there, which no one else here knew.
It was like you just knew.
Dude, I'm like...
You should go to the Pokies tonight or something. Like,
I know.
Right?
I need to.
You need to.
I seriously need to go.
So things are looking good. I think we're going to be sticking with TJZ at this point. So I think we're going to be A-okay.
You guys need that...
Trying to bring some wheels out the front. We're in full crazy mode. Gotta get everything to the track. What are you boys doing over here?
It ain't.
Hang on. Hey, watch my hand. What are y'all trying to do here?
Take the damn tire off. The damn tire.
You could have given me a heads up, man.
Taking the tire off.
Why are you taking the tire off?
I need it for my tire. I killed my tires.
Oh, in the one spot that
I wasn't supposed to drift. But you know
you
me?
weren't drifting. You did like
did
an
I say
Australian
drift?
burnout.
Yeah.
What gear were you in?
5th.
Actually, you got to 5th?
Yeah, I killed Adam's driveway at his house. Destroyed it. When he sees that tomorrow, he's gonna be so pissed. I'll never be allowed back. But it was a good time.
It was. All I heard was RB limiter for like 5 minutes straight. It was
yeah.
amazing.
Sound good?
It sounded amazing.
Did you get it on camera?
I did not.
God
By the
damn
time
it.
I ran out
Damn
there,
it.
you were out of tire.
It's got that GTX 3071.
I got that on my chaser in Japan, my missile. It's best turbo.
Good turbo. You skipped
Sorry.
me.
The new one is the G30 though. G3660 on an RB25.
Yep, I got that G25.
I don't want to pop it, the thing. So are you ready
no
for
problem.
tomorrow?
Of course I'm ready for tomorrow.
Okay, I love to
Are
hear.
you ready for tomorrow?
Yeah, my car's gonna.
Because
be
when Adam sees those skid marks on his driveway,
he will kick me out of the compound, not OSW. Hopefully, I'll buy an admission ticket.
well, we just made it to the track, and I'm over there next to the Valvoline tent. I'm pitted with TJ and Grant. We're ready for tomorrow, but I want to come and have a quick look at the layout or the track. Hopefully, wow, man, they went all out. This year is already setting up to be insane. Look at these TV screens. Setting up everything. Oh, all the barriers are coming out of the truck. Well, the trailer. Dang. This looks cool. Guess we'll get an assembly line going on, get all these barriers out. But tomorrow's gonna be wild. I think they got double the grandstand, like the bleachers than last year. It's gonna be awesome. So Adam's out here showing us how to drift all-wheel drive.
I'm gonna DM this to Ken Block later.
Yeah. That's wild.
That is so sick. Oh, that's so cool. So sick.
Wild.
That's insane. Cold start on that thing is louder than any of my cars, like any of my cars, any of them. All right, let's go, Grant. My ginger friend.
Go, baby. Hey, that's water pressure in the States. Baby.
That's right. Oh, you heard that?
I heard it.
Yes. I almost wanted to fly up to Connecticut just for a shower at your place.
Did.
We just got back to the compound. Give me the news. Is she gonna be running?
Everything's good, yeah.
Everything's
Just
good?
had to do 6 extra steps.
Okay. Clutch is in?
It's called tap and die. Everything, clutch is in, gearbox is in.
Cool.
Triple discs are fun because everything just moves around.
Yep. Diff all welded up, ready to go?
All loaded up, fluid, sealed.
All right. Looks good.
Cool.
Looks like TJ's gonna be shredding.
Yeah, he will. Yeah, she will.
Yeah, he's gonna be shredding in your car tomorrow when this
Yeah,
thing's broken.
hey, I don't
He
mind
takes it
because then
back.
I'll just drive LZs. They're the same car pretty
I thought
much.
That's what was gonna happen. Was like, you have a good car that's here ready to go, that you're driving.
I
your
need
broken
this.
car.
I need this car tomorrow. Everyone's too fast.
No, just be a slow Z boy. Be a homie.
I guess.
This thing is absolutely beautiful. I have no words. And it just makes me want a rotary even more. Look at this guy working late and it's his freaking birthday.
Yeah, well, not anymore. Now it's not my birthday.
Yeah, it's past your birthday, but
It was.
happy birthday, Mike.
Thank
I
you.
just wanted to give
Thank you,
you
Sam.
an epic shout out. Guys, go give him some love. I'm going to put his channel link down in the description. Wish him a happy birthday, right?
I appreciate it.
No worries.
Very
And go
much.
get some merch. Look at this stuff, guys. He makes some of the sickest things. EL panel light up stickers and stuff. Make sure you go check him out. Love you, Mike. Happy birthday.
Love you too, Sam. Thank you, dude.
I'm not entirely sure but I think this may be a Christmas tree of some sort of TEs. The funny thing is, though, is Adam could probably do this in Blitz 03s as well, and it would probably be higher than his TE Christmas tree. All right, guys, I am exhausted and wrecked. Tomorrow is going to be amazing. If you have not got your tickets yet, make sure you go get them. Try it, make the drive up, or just come to the event because it is going to be amazing. There are so many things that Adam has put in behind the scenes that just, he's gone all out, and I think this is like a flagship, and just like he's pioneering something that I think has never really been tried and done before with drift events, and it's really, really cool to see him investing and trying to give this a shot. And I just want to make sure that all of you are a part of it. So if you haven't grabbed yourself tickets, please do. Please swing by, come meet us all, come see us drive, and just experience this new style and new kind of drift event slash competition that he's putting on. And I can just tell that it's going to do really, really well. And I'm really excited about just the direction that he's going with it and the potential it has in the future. So don't forget, guys, grab yourself some tickets for the LZ Invitational. Come see us, come visit. It's a 2-day event, Saturday and Sunday. If you can't make the Saturday qualifying, at least come to the comp day on Sunday. It's going to be a blast. I'm going to be there. I'd love to meet some of you. And with that, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Make sure you go to SAMMIT.net, grab yourself some merch, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.